Hello there, travelers. This is Nathan from the machine, and today we're doing a simple, basic upload. Again, just trying to get myself back into the game, just trying to understand how to do this YouTube thing. I don't know if I sound very good with this microphone. I've been experimenting with it all day yesterday, and I just can't get it to work. But enough of my complaining. Let's talk about why we're here. Perchance.org. This is the AI character generator. Make very sure in the bar above, it says the Perchance.org AI character generator. They have other things. They have a RPG generator and even a story generator. And to be honest, once I get stuck in those guys, I have a very hard time getting out of it. But this is a character generator. It's really meant to show one person, one image. I've seen people do multiple characters, but it doesn't look very good. They seem to mix and match their characters up very much. But for me, this is one of my favorite character generators. It's a lot of fun, and I've been using it a lot. So let's go through what this is and how it works. From the top to the bottom, we start off with the scratch pad up here. You'll notice when you click show, it just has some information. It's blank. But what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put in your generalized descriptions here. I've never needed it. I've never used it, especially for its intended purpose. But you'll notice where it says animal equals a dog, mouse, frog thing. That way, when you write animal in the description, it'll take it from the scratch pad. Again, never had the need for it, but no, I do use it for one thing. And I'll be telling you what it is momentarily. But first, let's get down to the description. Short descriptions are best. As you can probably see, if you click over here, there's a dice. You can go through different characters each time to see what you can come out of it and how they look. This is something I used to love, but oh my god, does it get long-winded. Let's just say here, it's a Chinese lady wearing a traditional dress attending a party. Easy, right? Well, watch this. This thing will write out a whole story for you. And it goes a little crazy, I'm not going to lie. Now, while it's writing out its thing, we'll come back to that in a second. The anti-description, this is something I've never used. Again, never found the need. I see it more as you'll understand there's two reasons why to use it. But the first reason is once you put in your description, if they put in something that you don't want them to put in, use that to take it out. Again, never found the need. So and here's the most important thing, the art style. You have so many art possibilities here. Not bad for free, not bad for zero sign up. Yes, there is ads at the bottom, but they got to make the money somehow. And at least this gives you an option. Of course, there's portraits for landscape. We already know about those. Here's my favorite part. The 3, 6, 9, up to 12 at a time. For the sake of time, we're just going to use 3 at a time, but you can put in 12 and you get 12 very different images each time. So let's hit generate now. Oh, give it a second to retry. And there we go. Oh, and as you can tell here, there's a text adventure and the AI generator below the images. Not bad, you know? Neon Vegetarian Day. What is that? I've never seen it. As you can tell, even as much as I've been using this, I'm still learning. I'm still playing with this. And so you can see it's a lot of fun. Now, I'm going to show you one other thing, just what happens if I just say a Chinese woman wearing a traditional dress. Dress attending party. All right? Can't spell for some reason. Again, let's do generate. And So now it puts her outside. So again, benefits to each. Just change it up a little bit. Let's do cartoon, even though in a way we've already done a cartoon. Okay, but that's not really the important thing. This is all standard stuff. Now let me tell you what sets Perchance.org apart. And that is at the very bottom here, there's a show comments and gallery. You do have to click on that and then click on hide comments to look at the gallery. Now, here's the best part. You can go over here. So there's this eye right here. If you click on it, it'll hide her. Click on it back to bring her back. This is to get rid of it. Thumbs up, thumbs down, see if you like it. But this is the download button. But here's the important one, the eye. So you take the eye, and then you can just copy it. And this is what the scratch pad, in my opinion, is mostly for. What you do is you take the description up. You can put it right in the description and edit it, or you can put it in the scratch pad and edit it. If you're going to put it in the scratch pad, make sure you bring it back down. I've been known to do that sometimes, but now we just do this, generate, and though it's a cartoon, this is what they drew for us. But you can change things up. So you have a cartoon, very realistic, as you can tell, realistic right here. Film still, cinematic color. So there's a lot of prompts, and for those who may not know them, for those who need some help, get some guidance, this is the way you can get that kind of help. You just grab an eye, you just highlight, you copy it. Oh, by the way, if you cut it, and you can see here, negative prompts, close. If you change something here, just so that you know, let's just take out this whole thing. If you close it, nothing happens, and it just goes back. So don't bother editing it here. If you're gonna edit up here, and let's make a cartoon of it. I was gonna change it to a different art style, but hey, let's just try it. And that's what this is all about. Just trying it. Feel free to try it. Not what I was expecting, I'm not gonna lie. Let's go to one of my personal favorites, casual photo. That's interesting, was not expecting that. And there you go, there you have it. That is perchance.org. Now, there is another part of it. It is sort of a naughty part of it. If you want to know, let me know in the description below, and we'll do another one that can teach you more of the adult settings for this particular AI character generator. Until then, we'll catch you down the road, guys.